Chompers? What time of the month is it? Is it BarkBox time? Is it BarkBox time? Yes, it is. It's your March BarkBox. Someone's so excited to open their BarkBox. He's like, get this thing open, Mom. Come on. I've got stuff to play with. Not that you need any more. Yes, here you go. What do you got? Okay, I won't torture you anymore. Let me help you. Let's see here. We have, this colorful paper. Oh. Let's see here. We have the Academy of Fine Arts, where talented pups master the arts of painting and sculpture. That's so cute. And let's see your first toy. What do you got there? Oh, Furry Frida the squirrel. It's a crinkly. Is she squeaky? Let me see. Can I see? Okay, buddy, you gotta let go. I want to see the toy. I don't think. Okay. He likes the squirrel. I can't tell if she squeaks. I'm sorry. He won't let me hold her. All right, fine. You can have the squirrel. I'm going to look and see what else you've got in your BarkBox. Nope. You want to do that? Oh, he's like, wait, I can't leave the squirrel unprotected. But I also want to see what's inside the new BarkBox. All right, I'm going to look. I'm going in. Ooh, what else do we have here? Oh, you want to do the honors? Oh, what do you got there? Is that a new rope toy? Here we have Paint Tube Tug. It's an acrylic tube of paint. Whoop. Oh, that's so cute, and it squeaks. Oh, I can see you liking this one, huh? Yep. You love your tug toys. You love your tug toys. Let's see what else is in the box. He's like, what are you doing, Mom? What's this? The artist's tool set. You have a tool set. Okay. You've got a pencil and a paintbrush and a pen. You're all set. You're gonna be an artist. Oh, it's crinkly. You got squeaks too? Yep, it's got a squeak as well. Oh, it's lots of sounds. Oh, different squeaks. And a crinkle. Oh, that's an interesting toy, huh? He's like, how do I get to the squeak? And then we have our treats. Masterpiece morsels. It's lamb and fruit dog treats. And then we have the Great Wave fish recipe with cheese and turmeric. And we have our chew. This looks so good. What do you think, Chompers? Do you like your BarkBox? Do you like your BarkBox, Chomp? Yes? Chompers, you like your BarkBox? artist approves.